It's definitely made different. Like the plug is built into the module, but this plug has the wire extended from it. I'm just going to leave the old sleeve there and then pull this up through the top end that is open. You can see how it tops out right there. It's in there pretty snug actually. It's got that groove in it, and this, it just looks different. And this should snap into place. All right. You'll notice there's a white and a green that comes from the four-wheeler. Instead of the green and white female outlets, they have a white line on one of the green ones. So green to green and white to white and green. Just need to make sure this is in there nice and snug. Let's pull this back, this little protective covering here. It's a little bit loose. You can crimp it just a little bit with some pliers. Not much, just a little. We need to do the same thing for the other one. Not much. That's a lot more snug on there. Same thing on the other one. And this is a little bit loose, just a little. What we'll do is we can either put some Gorilla Tape on here, black tape, whatever you prefer. You could even put a zip tie on there. Or you can certainly replace this holder here, we'll call it. And that's how you install a CDI unit. Well, that did not fix it. The CDI unit has been changed. The bank angle sensor has been changed. It's either something in the carburetor that's not correct, or there's something in the gas tank that's corroded and it's just down in there clogging it up. Either way, at least you know now how to change that CDI unit. Sometimes that will fix the ATV problem, but not this time.